Carlos Cummins on the 24 car flights a half second as Billy Bennett. 5 seconds. That's good.